Hey guys, it's Michelle and Jeff, my husband. He's volunteered to be my guinea pig today, and we're going to be talking about TRX and how to make the most out of your TRX class. So the reason we love TRX here is that people from all abilities, all ages can do TRX and get a killer workout. It really just depends on how far away you are from the anchor points where the straps are connected to give yourself a better workout. So I'm going to have Jeff demonstrate, for instance, a push-up or a chest press. So Jeff's going to do, turn around, and he's going to do a chest press. Go ahead. Oh yeah, he's going to lengthen his straps to make them a little bit lower so he can get more range of motion in his shoulder joint. So he's going to lower down into a chest press, and he's going to keep his elbows and shoulder kind of lined up. That's it. Good job. So, yeah. So go ahead and do like sink in the middle a little bit for me. So this is what you want to avoid. We always want to keep a connected core. So like a plank position in the core. So bottom ribs down. Yep. So if that was too difficult for Jeff, show them the little variation. So he could take one leg forward to take some of the weight into that leg, right? How does that feel?
Easy.
Too easy, right? And so how about this first one? Did that feel too easy?
Yeah, that's still too easy.
That's still too easy. Okay, so Jeff needs to make it a little more difficult. So he's going to go back more towards the anchor point. So go for it. Nice. Does that feel okay? Make sure you breathe on the way up. Yep. Keep that core connected. Yep. Go ahead. Beautiful. Awesome. Okay, come on away from there. And now we're going to show a squat. So go ahead back. So Jeff's going farthest away from the anchor point, so that's easier. So go ahead and do your squat. He's using good form. He's pressing into his heels. Yeah, and he's keeping his arms relaxed, right? Perfect. And then if he wanted to make it a little bit more difficult, he could come a little closer. Yep. And then, so he's got less reliance on the straps for his weight. Yeah? Good. Awesome. Now he's going to go into a row, one of these things, right? So he's going back to the easiest, right? Yeah, and so he's pushing he's jutting his bottom ribs forward. And so we want to make sure that Jeff keeps his ribs low so that his core is connected. Yeah? Perfect. Too easy? Okay. Let's make it a little harder. So he's going to step in a little bit more. And he's going to keep those bottom ribs pulled in. Beautiful. Nice. Exhale up. Nice. Now, if Jeff was really not very strong and he needed to take it easy, let's back up and show them the one where you put your foot back like this and you kind of take your weight into it. Yeah. So he's going to let his back leg give him some support to push himself up. How's that? Super easy for you, right? But something for someone who's not as strong as Jeff to do. They can do this as the easiest part. So we hope to see you in TRX class. Take care.